Okay, my name is John. I bought this chainsaw last week. It arrived on, I think, Monday or Tuesday. I've been trying to turn it on ever since, but without success. I've put what is required by the manufacturer to use 25:1, which is a standard amount for petrol and oil, two-stroke oil, which has been applied, of course, in the appropriate area over here for petrol, and the actual oil for the chainsaw over here, a different oil, especially for chainsaws, which I will show you in a minute. There you go. Okay. Now, I'm sweating on this. I'm really desperate to use it. So we've got the on button, the choke out footy, and the chain blocker at the back so that it will start. And let's try again. Put a few drops of extra pump of petrol. I can go on like this for hours, it won't start. I've checked the spark plugs in there. The filter is fine, it's well locked up. The spark plugs is working. There is actual sparks going on. It's not overflowing with petrol, so it's not saturated with petrol. It's fine. It's just that it won't start. So please tell me what else I gotta do, because I'm getting very frustrated with that. Okay, thank you.